Meaning of horse chestnut.
Horse chestnut.
Horse chestnut.
Horse chestnut.
Horse chestnut. Horse chestnut refers to a deciduous tree, scientifically known as Aesculus hippocastanum, that is native to the Balkans and Western Asia. The term horse in its name is likely due to its use as a traditional medicine for treating respiratory issues in horses. The tree is known for its beautiful, showy flowers and large, shiny nuts, which are poisonous if ingested raw but can be processed into various medicinal remedies. Horse chestnut extract is popularly used to treat circulatory problems, such as varicose veins, and has also shown potential in reducing inflammation and pain.